While all links on the ground are pointing at the role of the Indian Mujahideen in the Hyderabad blast, sources are now telling your channel the IM is only a smokescreen for LET terrorists who operate from the heart of Pakistan. The opposition is now demanding answers from the government on what is stopping them from acting against Pakistan.
सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का जो रोल रहा है इन टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज को लेकर वो बहुत ही लचर रहा है, बहुत ही सॉफ्ट। मुंबई में जब टेररिस्ट अटैक हुआ था 26/11 को, उसके बाद हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कहा कि पाकिस्तान जो भी कल्प्रिट्स हैं उनके संबंध में इंफॉर्मेशन देने में अथवा उन्हें दंडित करने में सहयोग नहीं करेगा, तब तक पाकिस्तान से कोई बातचीत नहीं की जाएगी। कुछ ही दिनों के बाद प्रधानमंत्री ने सीवीएम का प्रोसेस फिर प्रारंभ कर दिया। इसमें कहीं दो मत नहीं है। यह सब सारी टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटी पाक स्पॉन्सर्ड है, आईएसआई स्पॉन्सर्ड है। ऐसी सूरत में पाकिस्तान के साथ कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग मेजर का प्रोसेस चलाने का कोई मतलब नहीं है।
While all leads in the Hyderabad blast point at the IM role in blast, intelligence agencies have traced IM founder Riaz Bhatkal to Pakistan on monitoring the phones of Riaz's associates in India, clearly proving that Pakistan is harboring terrorists. Associate Editor Internal Security Nikunj Garg is joining us on the story. Nikunj, very clearly shocking details coming out. Why is the government yet not acting?
Well, Idam, that's a very pertinent question you ask. That's the principal demand from the opposition side also. But the fact is that in the cases of both Yasin and Riaz Bhatkal, the Bhatkal brothers, who are the most potent and most capable operators, if I can use that term, of Indian Mujahideen, Pakistan has completely been denying their existence on their soil, washing their hands completely off their existence anywhere to do with the Pakistani agencies. In fact, you made a very interesting point there when you said that Indian Mujahideen is just a smoke screen created by Lashkar-e-Taiba and Indian and Inter-Services Intelligence Directorate of Pakistan to give terror an Indian angle, give terror an Indian aspect, give terror an Indian look. But the fact remains that in case of both Bhatkal brothers, Government of India has broached it many a times with Pakistanis, despite the fact that Government of Pakistan has been provided with some very corroborated and some very substantial details on the movement and on the involvement and on the direct linkages of Bhatkal brothers with various terror strikes in this country.